let us compare the two frequency distributions. If they are having the same mean, then what it shows. Okay. So, let x1 mean and standard deviation, okay, be the mean and standard deviation respectively of first frequency distribution. Okay, let x1 mean denoted by x1 and small sigma 1. Okay, 1 shows first, okay, and x2 mean of x2 and sigma 2 be the mean and standard deviation respectively of second frequency distribution. Okay, FD means frequency distribution. Now, therefore, coefficient of variation of first distribution is equal to times 100 1, okay, and coefficient of variation of second distribution is equal to standard deviation second and mean by 100. Now, what is given to us? It is given with the same mean. Now, given is equal to x2 mean. Okay. Let is equal to x mean. Now, this we are supposing. Therefore, equation 1 and equation 2 can be written as, now what we can write it? We can write it CV is coefficient of variation upon mean times 100 and CV is equal to times 100, okay, because mean is same. No. Hence, two coefficient of variations can be compared on the basis of standard deviations when mean is same. So, this is what about the comparison.